Looking for a better cartooning solutions? Let me introduce this cartooning machine to you. Very good at packaging blister plate, sachet, bottle tube, and more. Siemens servo motor feeder, high speed and stable, making the output up to 125 cartons per minute. Front end material quality detection, accurately detect loading volume. German GOK origami machine, suitable for various instruction sizes, can fold 1 to 4 times. Rotating open carton design, fast speed and good foaming effect. With Siemens PLC intelligent motion control system, realize automated frequency conversion and speed regulation based on real-time data. In addition, it can automatically remove missing or unqualified products. Fully mixed CE, CGMP, USA and EU standards. It will be your ideal equipment for cartooning and packaging. As a leading packaging machinery manufacturer in China, with 31 years of experience, superior machine quality, and personal services, we have become a long-term supplier to many industry giants. If you are interested in our machines, feel free to contact us.